Happy Chinese New Year, Sunny Vlog, Samsung Sising, Suntai Gin Hong. It's 8:30 p.m. We're gonna make a special dish because actually we're celebrating Chinese New Year tomorrow for lunch. Mamma mia! Papa, what are we gonna make?
Manji sao.
Manji sao. This is the ji sao.
Yeah.
You bought this at the Chinese
Chinese store, they
supermarket?
cut it for you in pieces like this.
It's the pig's feet or the pig knuckle?
Pig's hand. And
Lo fan give you a trotter? I don't know.
I don't know.
So first step, what do you do?
Blanch first. Yeah.
First step, blanch first.
Cold water. Turn it on.
Turn it on now.
Yeah, now turn it on. Blanch out.
You're gonna use all of it?
All of them. What's inside this?
Yeah. I'm filming a video. Welcome to the video.
Nah, bay nam yu.
Okay. Fermented tofu. But this is the red one. Why is it red?
Taste bad, flavor.
Taste flavor?
Yeah. 兩轉
Two?
Two pieces. And then the juice.
鹹得滯.
唔鹹嘅。
Shaoxing wine?
No, you could put Shaoxing wine, but I put the
Rose wine.
rose wine, more stronger.
So we have the jisao, about 2 pounds.
Yeah, 兩隻嘛兩隻。
Okay, what other ingredients you got ready?
一陣間俾你兩粒冰糖 rock
Oh,
sugar。
冰糖.
冰糖 rock sugar is like this。
冰糖.
And 蠔油豉油。
And 蠔油豉油. Wow. 好食,好好味. This is gonna make you eat a lot of rice.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. 花生。
So we got some peanuts.
Yeah. 多啲花生，而家洗咗佢陣間。
How long you soak the nuts?
I saw whole day 啦。
Overnight.
冇 overnight，今晚
You
抹。
soak them so they get soft.
Yeah, they get soft a little bit，所以洗佢啦。
Can you eat it like that?
Yes，生嘅啫，腥嘅。
Papa, you believe in Chinese New Year, the guzhai, got the monster come to the town?
Yeah.
You
No more anymore. No more 到時候1,000 years ago.
Yeah, you don't believe in that? Now no more? Do you believe in that? Go look it up. I got the dragon, by the way. Check out the dragon. Not the dragon. Check out the tiger. The tiger.
到時候1,000 years old 啦。
Yeah, I'm 1,000 years old.
呢個 cut 得好靚啊！哇，呢個煲仲細個，有落飛有落，又要俾佢大個啲㗎。點咁大啊？
Here, let me help you. Shit. There you go.
睇下呢度啦。
Don't you want this one, no?
一順煲湯，呢度我想 blanch 佢翻嚟，我就炆啦。咪你話要睇啦嘛。
You should have blanched it while you're eating dinner. Shit.
一陣間又話咩？我又落個機啊！
Papa, 你唔可以 multitask because you burn down the house. Shit.
就係，我有幾個機啊，有乜啊，
Yeah.
等下你，等你俾你睇住佢啦 ，OK？ 一陣間又話你唔等我 ，OK？
Yeah, 你唔等我。How am I gonna learn seafood recipes?
嗱，而家我一定2分，整我啲糖佢先，嚟咗先。得先啦。About this much.
You add hot water? I don't know.
唔係要 hot water，I take the whole piece ginger。
You want me to cut it?
No，唔使啊。
Why is so much blood?
咩不啦？哦，就係咁樣就唔好，係啊，咁有㗎。
What did you add to the food? You eat water?
燒酒。
That's it? 燒酒. What else?
That's all.
No water?
No.
You had a whole lot of 燒酒. I'm gonna get drunk.
冇浸。
It's like 2 tablespoons.
俾咗加辣啦。
You don't have to cut it. You just you add the flavor, right?
嗱，咁樣出咗水，你哋幾辣渣？Look at that.
Here, I help you. I do it. You want me to do it?
我整快啲 ，OK， 我唔你整耐得滯啊。
Shit.
快脆整咗佢，去嚟炆1個鐘頭啊炆。
I said I dump it out. You're gonna dump it out,
我係
right?
抌啊！我喺度中凍水先 ，cold water 先。
What do you mean? Dump this out, then add cold water?
warm water 啊，凍得滯點洗啊
You have to sigh each one?
？Of course，
What about the hair? Don't you have to clean the hair?
冇靴啊，死冇呀，好乾淨呀。
No hair?
No，一陣間個俾張刀仔刮下佢，3分鐘到啦，喺度。
There.
要俾個 torch 嚟燒啦，但係呢個滅酸好又點啊？冇靴嘅，我倒啊，擠個先啊，
Oh, now you want my hair.
擠落個先
Okay, watch out.
唔使倒啊，你走嗰時候。
Put it in the sink. Don't dump it out.
入中得啊，等先。
Still on. The faucet's on.
Okay, good, thank you.
I could have done that shit.
哎呀，我驚辣親你啊！
And now you put cold water. Here, but there's no hair.
No hair, okay?
Take the back of the knife.
唔係啊，我係個分啦。
Oh, yeah. Do you like jisao or feng jiao? Which one you like better?
豬手，
Me too. Why?
鳳爪 OK，但鳳爪冇肉啫。
Feng jiao, you just suckle on skin and bone.
Yeah.
Jisao is like chewy, like the collagen. Ooh. I guess chicken feet have collagen too, but
呢個豬手好靚，好需要。
Want me to do it?
No.
Hold on.
That's okay. I got used to it.
Yeah. 好辛苦man.
食嘅梗係辛苦啦，係咪啊？
My generation think everything 好容易, right?
你 generation 你哋唔食呢啲嘢咯。
Yeah, that's true. What do they eat?
I don't know.
What kind of Chinese food does my generation eat?
Robot cook.
Robot cook. Yeah, she's right. Robot cook. Everything is made in a lab. Yeah, it's like science food.
Right.
Shit, it's nature. You should eat nature food. Is a robot gonna remove the hair from each foot with precision and care? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so.
呢個辣渣嘅，試下 open and clean it out. Now clean up.
I clean it.
Don't worry about. 陣間先啦，洗佢炆陣先，唔使巴閉。
唔使巴。
OK， 好乾淨啦，而家。啊，我試咗
費事。
喂事。OK，now 開火啦。誒，俾呢啲油啲咁多。
Like the ginger and garlic.
邊張？
Now the fuyi and the sauce. It's like blood.
食得。
Shit. Like that.
掉落去炒下佢。
Just a friendly reminder, if you want to support us a little bit more, hit the link below. I compiled a 9-recipe ebook/video course thing. Yeah, course thing. Compiling some of Papa's recipes that I really like when I was younger. It's $8.88. I blessed it for good luck. The link is below. Mamma mia! Thank you.
Pepper.
White pepper?
Yeah.
White pepper.
OK， 滲咗落去得㗎。要俾 chicken broth
冇咁多。
倒晒佢落去。 At least 2 cups of chicken broth and 冰糖。
Orange peel.
now 加多啲水。
What, do you want the 滾水?
咪事啦，凍水得啦。
One.
倒晒啲落去。
Shit.
浸過晒嗰啲 cover 啦。咁樣就炆啦，打石係咁啦。
Now how long is it cooking?
40 minutes。OK， 打石。等佢滾啦。
Make sure you watch it, 大佬。
使乜watch？
I set a timer.
使乜 timer？
因為你冇 know.
嘿，
如果你個朋友俾你打電話，你唔記得，you have something on the stove.
咁啊，而家冇人打嚟㗎啦，咁夜。
點知你有好多朋友。Okay, see you in 40 minutes.
Lucky， 打石。啲嗰啲肥嘅等我佢喺度。
Orange segment.
OK，
Okay, 就係 tofu diet. 我唔中意。
誒，攞埋呢個真係個坑架啦，雪櫃冇地方真係仲可能會有嘢。
Why don't you leave it up here? You're gonna eat it tomorrow.
冇啊
We got the 蛋黃酥。
，sit down， don't come on，
Sit.
sit， you're not supposed to climb up like that。
Sit down.
Come on.
Sit down.
聽日有人食飯，你坐喺嗰度啦，
Yeah, no, you sit over there. Sit down.
俾佢坐慣 no good，
It's your fault.
your fault。
No, your fault. Cause he you and you give him food. I tell him to sit down. You I try to train him. 冇用，因為你好難食 you say. Now look at him. Che, you're king. But a good thing he don't eat the food on the table.
混好益肉，
Boy. It's good. I want to make it.
有連用喺個雪櫃啊！
I know.
我自己醃鹹蛋，買鹹蛋好貴啊！
Everything 好貴. Let me see.
食，
Okay.
你俾隻筷子撳下佢，睇下佢腍唔腍啊！
You add it in now. You snuck it in.
食啊 ，OK good。媽咪話俾啲蓮藕落去喎，我咪用。
幾時加？
10 minutes 講。
Oh, okay. 加蠔油。
而家唔俾錢。
停一。
聽日我轉翻熱佢嗰陣時就夠味道咁啊 OK，咁啊聽日夠就得㗎啦，篤佢好腍啊啦。45 minutes啦。
I don't want to eat it. 好飽。
我真係唔俾你食，應該俾你食啊！Just go like this. Good.
Sound for hot.
Good.
Good. 10 points.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you want to try it?
No for you.
我嘥個好味道，未夠鹹。得。聽日好腍㗎，
諗啲好少少。
聽日好腍㗎，俾嗰時焗咗佢嘛。
而家冇咁腍，
Yeah.
冇咁鹹 too. So add more CEO. I mean.
有冇豉油蠔油 ？Good, good, good.
Okay, so how long you cook for tomorrow? 30 minutes?
No.
20 minutes?
10 minutes 得㗎啦，tomorrow.
And you got 蠔油 CEO.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna eat it tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Mamma mia! It's too much. Home hosik.
唔知啊，
你加唔加好友？
加咗咯。
Thank you, Papa.